Thanks, Scott. Eastern Illinois University is making an announcement that could greatly affect the lives of students living on campus.
Officials say plans are in the works to modernize some older buildings. I spoke with university staff and students today to learn more about the big plans.
And we haven't done full-scale renovations here in some time.
Eastern Illinois University is prepping for a big change. Vice President of Business Affairs Matt Bierman says students have been giving EIU feedback on campus housing for years, and now the university is taking action.
And there is some feedback about bathroom privacy. What do our bathrooms look like? What do our rooms look like? That when they go to visit friends at other campuses, that some of those facilities look different than ours, and some of those are new and some of those have been renovated.
The university released an announcement saying some residence halls will close to students next semester, so renovations can start. Bierman says the halls may look entirely different when the process is finished.
I think we'll look at what other types of room makeups make sense for our campus. Is it time for us to offer residence hall suite style buildings?
Bierman says the university wants to work on air conditioning systems, bathrooms, elevator safety, and roofs. Weller Hall will be receiving upgrades like these, and resident assistant Quinn Sean Anderson says the building is his home, and he's excited to hear the news of the new changes.
Weller is the only one in the triad that doesn't have pod-style bathrooms. I feel like that we should be able to get those implemented into this building as well.
Weller isn't the only hall being closed next semester. Thomas Hall will also be unavailable to students. Bierman says part of the reason the university chose Thomas to be renovated was so they can direct pedestrian traffic away from another project, and that's tunnel maintenance. The state has given EIU $20 million to improve tunnels running underneath campus, particularly on the south side. Bierman says Weller and Thomas are only the beginning, and the university officials have plans to progressively upgrade all residence halls on campus. And some academic buildings may also be seeing some improvements.
Where we look at classrooms, the technology in classrooms, the furniture in classrooms, some of the systems that are in those academic buildings as well.
The university will be opening additional floors in other residence halls, including Taylor, Lawson, and Andrews. Bierman says construction is expected to start in 2 years. There is no estimated cost or completion date. The university has also recently announced plans to build a new life sciences building.